we're all familiar with the classic find and replace functionality we can find in tools as Excel and any text editor. But now we have this functionality from inside Salesforce as well. And this is the use case. Today I did an import, and as you can see, it went terribly wrong. So the phone numbers in here have a duplicate country code. So we got +1 and if we look down, we can see +31 as well. So yeah, that's not cool, and I need to fix this. Well, I can do that by using Data Action Platform. So I can select all the records here, and I can go to the Action Launcher. And in the Action Launcher, I can see actions that are assigned to my profile. And I can find the Find and Replace action and click Next. So we can do a find and replace based on any field in an object. And for this one, I'm going to look up the phone field. As an operator, I can change equals to regular expression. And a regular expression we can use to analyze a value and replace it with a partial value. So what I want to do, I want to use this regular expression, which looks for a plus sign, which is followed up by a digit between 0 and 9. It can be any number of digits, and it ends with a plus sign as well. And I'm going to replace it with a plus sign. And that will get rid of all the duplicate country codes in my phone field. So I'm clicking Next. I'm getting a summary of what I'm about to do, and then I can start this. I can run this on any number of records. And when it's done, I can click Finish, which will take me back to the list view. And as you can see, all the phone numbers are corrected, and I don't have any duplicate country codes anymore. Imagine the possibilities.